Aventador in Carson mode will change your lives. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. The Aventador is totally good, boys. My heart is like pounding right now. Round two, go. There was no catastrophic failure with the winter track setup. Guys, if you did not see my last video, let's roll the tape. What? Oh my gosh, that is so sick. The whiplash from Corsa mode is absolutely crazy. I feel like I just got a concussion. Okay, maybe not a concussion, but like I legit have a headache. We're gonna go back to granny mode. Is that a Supra? I think is that Johnny? Johnny! What's up, Johnny? That wasn't Johnny. That was not Johnny. Who is that? There's Johnny's Supra. It appears that we have an impersonator in our presence. This is not good. Now, when Burlacker and I first moved to the neighborhood, all the neighbors around us hated our obnoxious, loud, annoying cars. Not really, but kind of, sort of. But slowly, one by one, we are infiltrating every single one of them, and they're buying supercars. Check this out. Johnny just picked up a brand new Supra. Dude, there's an imposter. I just saw the exact same Supra like a mile away. What are you gonna do with that ding dong?
Road warrior.
Run him off the road.
Drive him off the road. Shoot Nerf.
Bro, this car is so sick though. One by one, baby Burlacker and I, we're infiltrating. All the neighbors are getting supercars.
You're that guy. This isn't a supercar. It's like a
It's
junior.
a Supra.
It's a okay, Supra.
It's gonna be a supercar soon though, because we got some mods coming, right? This imposter though, like, I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. I don't like it one bit. I understand wanting to be Johnny because let's be honest, Johnny's the coolest guy in the neighborhood. Everybody wants to be Johnny, so if that imposter is watching today's video, I get it. Supra's so sick. It's so good looking, Johnny.
Goodbye, James.
If you go to jail, I'll come bail you out. I will.
I gotta go get my wig split.
What? That sounds terrible. He's getting a haircut. His wig split. Only John, okay, yeah. We'll see you later. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you in jail.
My wig split. It's getting kind of sort of out of control. The warehouse is filling up so fast right now. Also, yes. Now the Aventador is driving amazing. The clutch, the transmission, both are buttery smooth. Now I'd imagine the clutch life on the Aventador is probably not gonna be quite the same. We'll worry about that another day when, anyways. It begs the question though. V12 winter tank, what if we up the ante? W16 winter tank. I know we shouldn't do it. We should not do the Bugatti on winter tracks, but could you imagine? Now this is a cold startup on the Nissan GTR. I have to go through the passenger door because I can't fit through on the driver's side. Wow, that's so much fun. I know we haven't done like a ton with the GTR, but the build is coming very, very soon. Go. Oh my gosh. Nothing launches quite like a Nissan GTR. This is legit getting out of control. We got Johnny's Supra, and check it out, the 4GT. Oh my goodness, it looks so good back in the driveway. Check that out. The neighborhood is just firing on all cylinders. Wait till you see what's in Rollins' garage. Wait, hold up, Patrick. So you're telling me you want to trade the 4GT for the Nissan GTR forever? Like this is happening forever.
For like 12 hours?
Oh, okay, I can do 12 hours also. The new wrap looks so cool. So what are sort of the ground rules? So you got the GTR for 12 hours.
Yes.
You can do whatever you want. I don't care how many miles you put on the car, but can we have a spin class in the GT?
Spin classes are allowed.
Wait, really?
You can
I'm not actually gonna do that. Patrick just put new tires on the GT, and these tires are what, like $2,000?
No, they're not bad. They're half off because they're discontinued.
I paid $2,000.
It's like $250 for the rears. I didn't replace the fronts.
Patrick's smarter than me. I paid $2,000 for my tires. This wrap looks so cool on the 4GT. Guys, if you're not following Patrick on YouTube, I'm gonna link him below. Go subscribe to him. You got a bunch of supercars coming, right?
I do.
You have a V12,
a
twin turbo V8, and inline 6?
I think
more to come on that.
Right. I think that's what
but they're like three proper supercars, basically on point with a 4GT. So I'm gonna link his channel below. But we got a 4GT for the day, boys. It legit still smells like Hawaii. This car, there's just so much nostalgia around it with the custom FI exhaust. Okay, yeah. Let me get this right. You go out and buy a Dodge Viper, which we don't have room to park at the house, your house, because my cars are parked in your garage. Yep. But then you go out and buy another car.
I did. Yeah.
And it's parked at your dad's house because...
Well, it's a joint venture with my dad. It's a resto mod we're doing together, father-son.
Right. Anyways, Burlacker parks his Viper at the neighbor's house. And you're parking the Raptor over here? Goodness,
Hey,
bro.
We have the best neighbors.
Well,
ever.
obviously we do. Can we see that Viper?
Yeah.
Johnny just bought the Supra. We got the Ford GT from Patrick, and then we have the Dodge Viper RT10. This is crazy. The neighborhood, we are just stepping up our game. Now, if you guys do want to see Burlacker's newest car, which is not the Viper, this is now your old car, right? You realize that, right?
Yeah.
If you want to, I'm going to link it below. Go check it out. It's pretty cool. It is, well, I don't want to say something I don't want to say. Yeah, that made sense. Now, a lot of you guys might not realize the Dodge Viper was actually my ultimate dream car. It was the first car that I truly fell in love with. And of course, Burlacker got one before me. We are such an awful influence on the neighbors. The Viper, the Ford GT, and the Supra. Before we know it, the entire street is gonna have supercars. That combination right there is crazy. We got the Supra with Johnny, the Ford GT, and the Dodge Viper RT10. Massive shout out to Rollin for helping us store supercars.
Massive respect.
Dude, look at this guy with the new haircut.
Thank you.
The wig split did
Wig
you well.
split?
Where are we going for lunch?
I
don't know if you guys can tell, Burlacker is way too big for that Viper. All you see is a backwards hat peeking out the top. Also, God bless America, V10, V8 supercharged, and we go bye-bye. Oh my gosh, I forgot. This exhaust is ridiculous. I miss this car so much. Out of nowhere, we got the C8 Corvette. It is an American day here in Utah. Johnny versus Ford GT versus baby Burlacker. I cannot lose this race. If I lose this race, my dignity, my YouTube channel is down the drain. I mean, let's be honest. That's so, no. We just got smoked by Johnny. I just embarrassed my entire country. The Germans beat us. Oh, that Supra's so sick. Now, a lot of people ask me, what car do I regret selling the most? I regret selling the Ford GT more than any other car. Someday, one day, we will definitely have another GT. We get a shot at redemption. Johnny put the hammer down last time. Bro, we cannot embarrass America again. We messed up. I gotta focus. Oh gosh. I don't know if you guys could tell, it got a little bit smoky. This was an epic fail on my part. Oh my god. I'm trying to get out of the car.
Wow. I got you.
Wow.
I got
oh
you.
Goodness. Oh, all those McDonald's
paint.
are not treating me well.
Don't need to ding his new car.
The three of us should never be driving on the same road together.
Can I say though?
At least we're gonna be in prison together.
That's true. We can all share a cell.
We can make toilet wine together.
I don't know what that is. Also, Burlacker parking away from us. What's happening?
Yeah.
You two good?
Are you social distancing your car?
I don't want to ding your door because I need to go full spread.
True. What
So-
was that?
Those cars together, that's a fun crew.
We just embarrassed America, though. Johnny put the hammer down.
No, I wasn't racing.
Oh,
I
no,
can't-
you're right. Yeah.
I can't film and shift.
Right. Did you guys see I did a burnout there on the last light?
I did too.
That was by
I did too.
accident.
Yeah.
That was crazy. There was so much smoke.
I did the same thing. Yeah.
Patrick, if you're watching today's video, that was a mistake.
She's like the girl you dated over a summer, didn't really treat very well. She broke up amicably, and then you see her with somebody else down the road and you just can't get her out of your mind. This is that summer girlfriend.
I couldn't have said it better.
It's true.
Where does he come up with this stuff? You're brilliant.
Why didn't you treat her very well though?
That's the thing. I treat everybody
More
right.
importantly-
I treat
Why didn't you take her out to dinner?
every girlfriend I've ever had. I treat well. All my cars I treat well. All my cars I treat well. This is happening. Oh, go. That Viper sounds ridiculous. This combination is so crazy. I'm gonna get a little bit emotional right now. Burlacker's not gonna like that. But how crazy, how lucky are we guys? Like, we're roommates, best friends. We're neighbors, best friends. You guys are best friends. It's a Wednesday, and we're driving our supercars to go get Mexican food.
It's not Wednesday, it's Saturday afternoon. I'm working on Wednesday.
Don't tell my wife it's Wednesday.
Now, I'm not in the business of calling people out or guilt tripping anybody, but if Shannon and Ty or Roland or Steven or Clayton is watching today's video, we're up in the ante. You guys got to add to the supercar collection here on the cul-de-sac. And on that glorious bombshell, I'd reckon we need the drone. Yes, we do. In 3, 2, 1. We only have a 3-car garage here at the house. I own 9 cars. Burlacker has 5 cars, including the Subaru.
My garage is offended. It's a 3.5-car garage.
Oh,
We could fit 4.
whoa,
So,
whoa, big garage is offended right
yeah,
there.
we put the treadmill in there now because, you know.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Girth Nation,
Yes.
Muffin Top Nation, welcome
we
back
go.
to the channel. We have gained more cars, but we've also gained more girth collectively.
This is a rare situation when usually you have 8 cars here, one's mine, 7 are yours.
I'm infecting
Only
the
one
neighborhood.
of these is yours.
This is good.
Like weird.
This is good, and it's only going to continue to grow. You're buying another car,
I
aren't
hope
you?
so. I actually have, yeah, I am. Yeah.
I was not expecting that. We haven't talked about this. We usually talk.
We've talked.
Have we? Oh. Yeah. This duo with the Dodge Viper and the 4 GT, it just doesn't get much cooler. This thing is such a hog. Ooh, she's girthy, but we are good for business. Couple baby revs. What? Oh my gosh. Also, oh, if I get the key out, come on, come on. Okay, I can't get the key out. What am I? There we go. Cool fact about the Dodge Viper. So when I was in high school, my parents had a Dodge Grand Caravan. I actually bought on eBay Motors an uncut key fob with the Viper snake, and I had a locksmith actually cut it to fit my Dodge Caravan. The Viper's like the OG car for me. It's the car that started everything. It's so Mopar too, isn't it? Now I realized I just parked the Viper in a way in which Burlacker's not gonna be able to get out of the car, so stay tuned for his next vlog in which he's complaining how I parked the Viper way too close. The GT legit looks like a space shuttle right now, and it sounds like it's ready to take off. Oh goodness, I think we need another GT, and I know. Every time I drive a car, I always say we need this, we need that. But in this scenario, like, we genuinely do need a 4 GT. Oh. You hate to hear her leave, but sure do you love the sound. What a fun day that was. The neighborhood is just popping with supercars though. Tomorrow we got a very, very big video. We got big updates on the Gallardo, but as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're the like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog's over, and I'm out.